However, I think of him daily and dream about him woo, on a regular basis. And it's getting on my fucking nerves because I do not want any future for us as a couple or even friends. My thoughts of him haunt me. Shit. Damn, awesome. My thoughts of him haunt me like a shadow. How do you think I deal with this? I thought that at this point in my life, fuck, after so many years, I would have moved on emotionally. And what could this mean for my future romantically? Thank you a lot. And 1 million subscribers. Woo! Greetings, Magnusita. P.S. God damn it. Additional information. I no longer communicate with him because talking to him was no longer satisfying or serving any real purpose for me. He is not the only guy I ever had a sexual relationship with. I just prefer having sex with someone when there is a strong emotional connection. There is no strong male figure in my life on a personal level. Father is and always has been emotionally unavailable. I do want to have a functional relationship in the near future with someone else. I feel ashamed because it seems as if I'm still a sucker for him. God damn. If there's anything else you need to know, I'm happy to share it. Thank you again. Happy 2014. Well, Magnus, and any other future subscribers and viewers, I had enough patience to sit through that. That was the longest motherfucking email I think I've ever read online while I was sneezing. God damn. What can I do to help this woman out? See, this is uncut and raw. This is reality. I'm sneezing my brains out while trying to talk to y'all and help this woman. Well, this one's going to be pretty short and sweet. I think I've told you before, and if you watch my videos, you know about EFT. Emotional Freedom Transfer, created by Gary Craig, and TFT, created by Roger Callahan, his teacher. These will help you to get rid of your emotional issues with this man. But apparently this man has had a hold on you because you can't get him out of your damn mind. Even though you've rationally made this conclusion that, you know, he ain't good for me no more. He serves no purpose no more, and this and that. So that's what you're gonna have to do. That's my main advice to that. And if y'all watch a lot of my videos, you're gonna notice a theme, because a lot of times this is what the doctor ordered: TFT and EFT. That's part of it. Second is, I think you should start dating to get this man out of your mind. You know what I mean? Don't nothing get one man out of your mind like getting. That's right, sneeze again. Some people would say nothing, you know, help getting another man out of your mind like getting under another man. But you don't want to be promiscuous. You know, I see you want to be a good girl and you only want to have sex with someone that, you know, you got emotional connection with. So do that. Only date, but date around, date more men or something like that.